Business owners, both large and small, trying to figure out exactly how the Supreme Court healthcare ruling will affect their bottom line.
Jim Amos is the CEO of Tasti D Lite. He says it will slow growth and put millions of jobs at risk. Good to see you again, Jim. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
It's a pleasure being here, David. Thank you.
Bottom line, is this decision going to end up costing you or saving you money?
Well, I think for small business in general, and certainly franchised businesses in particular, even though as a tax this is now ruled as constitutional, it's unworkable. At the line level, it will cost jobs and will increase costs. And I think that's the view from across the board in the world of small business.
Jim, we've heard people say that. Articulate it for us. You as a business owner, why?
Well, you know, particularly as it relates to the employer mandate, you're going to find folks, if you look at franchisees as an example, who have one location and what might have a desire to expand into multiple locations, not choosing to invest at this time. You're going to look at employers or franchisors who are going to say, well, you know, in order to stay under that 50 employee threshold, I'll move full-time folks to part-time folks rather than pay the penalties that are associated with that. And in the long term, given the entire environment that we've been in, as it has occurred since October of 2008, that doesn't encourage or stimulate growth that I think everyone would like to have.
So you think that the employer tax and the other taxes associated with it are actually going to prevent people from hiring folks that they otherwise would have hired?
I think that's exactly correct. Without question, if you look at the general questioning that's occurred, particularly as it relates to business over the last several years, in terms of investing in business, hiring new employees, and the responses that have related to uncertainty in the marketplace, the health care or Affordable Health Care Act does nothing to alleviate that problem. In fact, there was a recent study done by the Hudson Institute just looking at the employer mandate alone that said it would cost 3.2 million jobs in the economy and layer about $6.4 billion in additional cost to small business. That's pretty significant in this environment.
All right, Jim, thank you very much for your perspective. Jim Amos of Tasti D Lite, and now I want Tasti D Lite.
Thanks, Jim. Good luck.